I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Create a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, open Computer, choose Manage, then Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. You are looking for the standard VGA graphics adapter entry or a marked device with a warning icon. Make sure to note the driver name and date. This tells you whether Windows is using a generic driver versus a vendor driver. Take a quick photo or write the details. It speeds troubleshooting later. Now you move to installing the correct driver. First, download the exact driver for your GPU and Windows 7 bitness from the vendor site. This prevents mismatch issues. Next, in Device Manager, right-click the standard VGA graphics adapter, choose Uninstall and select Delete Driver Software when offered. This removes the generic driver. After uninstalling, reboot. Once Windows restarts, run the vendor installer or use Update Driver, right arrow Browse My Computer to point to the downloaded driver. This ensures Windows loads the proper hardware-specific driver. Finish by rebooting and verifying the adapter now shows the vendor name and that you can select the display's native resolution. Once done, open Display Settings to set the correct resolution and refresh rate. This prevents scaling and performance issues. If you still see problems, make sure to roll back the driver in Device Manager or boot into Safe Mode to uninstall, then reinstall the driver. Safe Mode prevents conflicting software from loading. That rollback step often fixes stubborn driver conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.